the hate like it's on the turntables. Drop from the list of what we are labeled. If we're unable, we get defeated by the hate, though. It's like a getting beat 10-to-1 ratio. Quit the fighting at the annual celebration. Start understanding what we have in this nation. The community, love and unity. If we stick together, nothing come between you and me. So check it out, check it. If you got something to say, get on the mic and go ahead and wreck it. You and me give the perfect explanation. So let's stop all these false allegations. Forget my 2 cents, I throw in the whole dollar. If you feeling me, let me hear you all holler, yeah.
하루의 day, 베어주며 okay. 베어주 바실루, 너지 아껴 배신수. 베어주 보시바, 베어주 소시다. 베어주며 okay, cause it's only you and me.
To them among sisters, the flowers, the stars, names from my ancestors, the true princesses. I see you at the club, drinking up, popping booties. Even at the bars, kissing up, catching cooties. I'm not gonna deny it, I too get in the groove. I know you're pretty smart, but make better moves. I see you getting turned up every single week. Come on, stay classy, don't present yourself as cheap. I love y'all, don't take this as a diss. It's wise words from a brother to a little sis. Go to school, get a job, stay independent. You're smarter, even worked harder ever since. Believe me, I've seen the evidence. You're educated, caring, and more relevant. Forget my 2 cents, I throw in the whole dollar. If you feeling me, let me hear you all holler, yeah.
하루의 day, 베어주며 okay. 베어주 바실루, 너지 아껴 배신수. 베어주 보시바, 베어주 소시다. 베어주며 okay, cause it's only you and me.
To the next generation, y'all pay attention. We've been through worse like kids without parents. Mothers and fathers fighting all the time. If you got a problem, tell me what's on your mind. Put clothes on your back and shoes on your feet. Head nod to the beat, give love to ministry. Give more respect when the elders bleed. It's love from us, it's what they need to receive. Appreciate the history, even the art. We were brought up to make our own story cloth. Not store bought, not store bought. Our parents worked hard so we could reach for the stars. Please, come on and listen up quickly. I'm here to guide you, tell me if you all with me. Forget my 2 cents, I throw in a whole dollar.